Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday go-to makeup look for back to school, which is this makeup look right here. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway with Dote, so make sure you're following me on there, EmilyGrace26. The giveaway is kind of tied into this video, so I'm going to be giving away some of my favorite makeup products for back to school, some of my favorite makeup essentials. So make sure to enter that giveaway so you can win some of my favorite makeup products for back to school. But also make sure you guys are following my Instagram, EmilyGrace26. That's where I post kind of all of my video updates and polls, and I always post about my Dote giveaways and the winners and everything like that. So make sure you guys are following my Instagram. I think that is everything. If you guys would like to see more makeup content on my YouTube, make sure to comment below and thumbs up this video, just because I don't really do as much makeup. I do a lot more fashion and outfits, but if you guys would like to see more makeup content on my channel, let me know. I think that is everything I need to say, so we'll go ahead and just jump into the video. I'm actually genuinely getting ready for school right now. It's super early and I kind of feel a little bit dead right now, so if I don't seem quite like myself in this video, that's why. It's really early. So as you can see, my neck is a little bit tanner than my face. That's because I fake tan. So I do use a little bit of a darker foundation just to match up my neck. Sometimes I do put fake tan on my face. And then sometimes I'll skip foundation, or it just makes it a little bit easier with matching it. But right now the fake tan is completely faded off my face, so I do have to use a darker foundation just to kind of match that up. And I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This one's a pretty thick, heavy coverage, and this one's a little bit lighter weight, so mixing the two kind of makes a medium kind of coverage, and it also is a good shade for my fake tan when I mix the two. I've also been really obsessed with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, but I'll go ahead and use these just because I know that Giorgio Armani one is a little bit expensive. Kind of killed me to buy it. I do really like it. It is kind of the perfect, it's kind of light to medium coverage. So I'm just gonna use the Morphe Y7 brush to buff all of that in. I've never really been a beauty blender person. I don't think I'll ever really be a beauty blender person. Okay, so that is the foundation done. Now I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my under eyes and kind of on the top of my forehead and down my nose. And I use a lighter concealer because it just works better to conceal the under eyes and kind of brighten. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques. It rubbed off, but I think it's just the angled brush. Okay, so now that I've got the concealer done, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. I like to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Translucent. I've actually bought the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder, and I just prefer the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And I'm going to put some life and color back into my face using some bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. That is my favorite. So now I'm going to just apply some blush. I'm going to be using the Tarte Risque blush. That is my favorite. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with Dote. So if you follow my Dote account, EmilyGrace26, you can enter my giveaway with Dote. It's my back to school makeup essentials giveaway, and you can win this blush. You can also win the Hoola bronzer, and then you can also win a palette. It's the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Single brush just fell off of my vanity, every single brush. So now I'm gonna be using my Anastasia So Hollywood illuminator to highlight. Now my face is pretty much done, so I'm going to be doing my eyebrows next. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Brown Brow Duo. This is my favorite. This is what I've been using forever. It's just the little brow powder duo. I've never really been a pomade person. So now my eyebrows are done and filled in. I feel they look a little crazy today, but we're just struggling today. Anyways, okay, so the eyebrows are filled in. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Glossier Boy Brow in clear, and I'm just gonna run that along my brows. It's my absolute favorite part of my makeup process. I don't know why, I'm just so obsessed with it. I just feel this really just sets all the brows in place, and it just really, I don't know, just makes them look really groomed and fresh. My brows look so bad today. Oh, they look horrible. They look so big. I like to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, usually on an everyday basis. I think you can tell which colors I use. I usually just use these two colors, and then sometimes these two, kind of just mix them all together in one one like thing, I guess. But yeah, I just used those. And I just apply that to like my crease. If I'm lazy, sometimes I'll just use my Hoola bronzer, like if I'm in a hurry or something. But lately I have been liking to use these. I've been using the Glossier Lidstar and Slip, which is like the pink one. So I've been really loving this. It's really pretty. It's not like super pigmented, like once you kind of like blend it out and everything. So I usually go back and put my highlight on top of it. So I've been using this. And I just kind of put this right there, as you can see. So not all over the lid, just kind of like on the inner corner part. And I like literally can't see my mirror from this far away, so I should have grabbed a mirror. I just take like a little like flat brush and kind of like blend that out. After I've applied that, I just go back with that same Anastasia highlight I used earlier, and I just go ahead and put that right on top of that Lidstar. And then I'll go back with my kind of like blending brush and just kind of like blend that back in. Sometimes if I'm lazy, I won't do this like every day. I'll just put a little bronzer like in my crease and a little highlighter on my base. And that's just like an easy kind of like everyday look. And it looks almost the same as this. And then I just applied that highlighter in my inner corner. And I'll apply a little bit at the top of it, at the top of my eyebrow, or top of my brow bone. Moving on, you guys might have noticed I haven't been doing my winged liner lately. I used to wear like a huge winged eyeliner like every single day, but I just haven't really been into it lately. Just kind of lazy, I guess. I'm not really sure. Just haven't really been feeling the look of it. Now I'll just go ahead and go straight into mascara. I usually use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Let's see if I can do this with my mirror like 10 feet away. Screwed up this eye, but it doesn't matter. But anyways, okay, so I just went ahead and did my mascara. So most people would just go ahead and leave the look like this after they've done lipstick and everything, but I'm just really extra, and I don't really like, I don't know, I mean, it's not that I don't like my eyelashes the way they are, but I just really like using fake eyelashes. And if you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you would know that I wear like fake eyelashes pretty much every day. I just really like the look of them. The ones I use, I feel like kind of look like eyelash extensions. I get questions like almost every single day about them. I literally love them so much. I'm really considering getting eyelash extensions. So if you guys have experience with eyelash extensions, please comment below if you think I should get them or not. But I do like to wear fake eyelashes a lot. I know that's a little bit extra, but I just really like the look of them. Makes me feel confident, and I don't mind doing it. So the ones I use are the KoKo lashes in the style Queen Bee, and I'm just picking off the glue real quick, so I gotta pick and talk because I'm in a hurry. They're my favorite. You have to buy them off this website called Lady Moss. I think that's like the only place that sells them, because you can't really buy them in stores or anything. But they're amazing. They literally look like eyelash extensions. Like, I thought about doing a whole entire video like how I apply my lashes or how to get lash extensions look for less or something along those lines. But really quickly, before I put them on, I always just pick off any glue residue left over from the day before. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply those. I'm not gonna apply it on camera. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do an in-depth video. And I feel like everybody kind of has their own way of applying eyelashes anyway, so I'm not going to apply them on camera. Okay, quick little outfit change. While I'm waiting for my glue to get tacky, sometimes I'll just go ahead and get like dressed or whatever. Okay, so now my eyelashes are done, so that's what they look like. I feel like it just really transforms my look. I just feel a lot more confident with them. I really like them. So you can easily just skip them if you don't like them. But now I'm going to go ahead and move on to lipstick. I like to use the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. This is my favorite liquid lipstick. I use this every single day for over a year now. This is like the only liquid lipstick I ever wear. So if you guys ever see me my Snapchat or Instagram and you're curious what lipstick I'm wearing, it's probably this one, because it's like literally when I went to LA, this is the only one I packed. I like to pat it with a tissue. It just makes it look a lot smoother and less like that thick, chalky kind of liquid lipstick look. So yeah, I like to pat it down with a tissue. Okay, so that is the makeup look. I will go ahead and fix my hair and finish getting ready, and I will come right back. It's kind of a mess. Okay, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and you'd like to see more makeup videos on my channel. And don't forget to enter that Dote giveaway. My Dote account is EmilyGrace26. Like I said in the intro, I'm going to be giving away some of my favorite makeup products for back to school. I'm going to be giving away a Tarte blush, a Hoola bronzer, and a makeup palette from Anastasia. So kind of like some of my favorite makeup products for back to school. I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching and good luck with the back to school season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.